Equinor's Hammerfest LNG plant halts for a week due to a compressor failure, affecting 5% of Norway's gas exports. A compressor malfunction halts production at Equinor's Hammerfest LNG, prioritizing safety and repairs, impacting 5% of Norway's gas exports. Equinor confirms a week-long repair at Hammerfest LNG, with production resuming by January 9. Hammerfest LNG delivers 6.5 billion cubic meters of gas annually, fueling 6.5 million European households. The outage emphasizes Hammerfest LNG's importance as Europe shifts to Norwegian gas. The Hammerfest LNG shutdown underscores Europe's vulnerability to technical disruptions. Equinor is focused on resolving the shutdown to ensure continued gas supply during winter.